when it's time to go. Potty time, kid the low potty time. Listen to your body, go when you feel ready. Do you feel a wiggle, 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 wiggle? Do you feel a tinkle, 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 tinkle? That's your body